Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun.
Today I want to plant many beautiful new spring flowers in our big garden. My mother bought small purple and pink flowers for the long flower bed. First, I must find the small metal garden tools in the old wooden shed. I found the big green wheelbarrow to carry soil and all the new plants. The sun is shining brightly, and the day is very warm for outdoor work. I should put on my favorite old blue jeans and special thick garden gloves. I take the small sharp shovel to quickly dig the soft ground over here. This part of the garden is perfect because it gets a lot of nice sunlight. I also bring a big green bottle of fresh water to water all the plants. I want our whole garden to look very beautiful and colorful this coming spring. Now I begin to clean up the dry old leaves and small pieces of trash. I see much unwanted dry grass, which I need to pull out from the soil. I use the small rake to gently loosen the very top layer of the ground. This old soil is very dry and hard, so I need to add fresh compost. I spread the new, fresh soil evenly over the long rectangular flower bed now. I must carefully mix the old soil with all this good new compost material. I feel that the ground is soft and light now, which is good for the roots. I move all the big stones away so the roots can grow easily. The soil is finally ready now, and I can start to plant my pretty new flowers. I take the first purple flower carefully from its small plastic nursery pot now. I need to make small round deep holes for every single new plant I have. I use my small hand shovel and carefully dig a deep enough hole right here. I put the purple flower in the holes so the delicate roots are covered completely. I fill the hole with the soft new soil, pressing it gently with my hands. I repeat this simple step for all 10 purple flower bushes in the row. I keep a small distance between every one of the new plants now. I check that all the purple flowers are standing straight and tall in the soil. Now I move to the beautiful pink flowers from the other bigger container. I make the next row of holes using the same small silver hand shovel carefully. I gently take the pink flower out of its pot, not to hurt the roots. I put the pink flower next to its purple neighbor, being very gentle with it. I cover it with the fresh soil, trying not to get dirt on the green leaves. I repeat this work until all the pink flowers are also completely planted here. This work takes a little time, but I really enjoy working with the earth.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
I smile because the bright purple color looks nice next to the pink flowers. I like this very long row of new colorful flowers on our garden flower bed. I have two small yellow plants, which I will plant close to the stones. I plant the last tiny flowers at the very edge of this large flower bed now. My planting work is mostly finished in this part of our lovely garden. Now the most important next step is to water all my newly planted flowers. I take the big green watering can and fill it up with fresh cool water. I slowly walk along the long flower bed, watering the plants one by one. I give each purple and pink flower a small amount of clean, fresh water. The water helps the roots settle down and start growing in the new soil. The dark soil quickly soaks up the clean water, becoming nicely moist now. I water the first row, then I move to the second row with the pink flowers. I must water them again tomorrow morning if the sun is very hot.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
I check the garden hose, but the can is easier for this small job. I hope the beautiful flowers will grow very tall and strong in a few weeks. I gently remove a small piece of dirt from one bright pink petal right now. I step back to see the whole colorful flower bed from a little distance away. The colorful result of all my hard work makes me feel very happy today. I think the purple and yellow flowers look better together than I thought. I put the empty green watering can back next to the small wooden shed now. I look closely at the soil to make sure I did not leave any big holes. Everything looks neat and tidy now, ready for the warm sunny days ahead. I will come here every morning to check on the progress of the flowers. I feel a bit tired, but also very happy because the garden looks wonderful. My big work is finished now. Only the cleaning up remains to be done. I must put all my small garden tools back in the right place in the shed. I use the wide metal broom to sweep the dirt off the paved garden path. I gather all the pulled out grass and dry leaves into a big green pile. I carefully load the big pile of garden waste into the empty wheelbarrow. I push the loaded wheelbarrow slowly over to the big composting area there. I empty the green wheelbarrow completely and then clean the inside of it. I hang my small shovel and rake neatly on the wall inside the shed. I take off my dirty garden gloves and leave them outside to dry quickly. My hands are very dirty, so I must go inside the house to wash them well. I look at my beautiful flower bed one last time before going inside to rest.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.